Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have the Doona Trike. This is a 5-in-1 system that works as a stroller as well as a balance bike in the future, a trike. It is packed with features. It comes fully assembled, has padded armrests. The parent can control how the strollers turn. It's lots of features packed, and it actually, as you can tell, comes fully assembled. But the awesome thing is it also fits into the overhead bin of an airplane and easily packs into most cars. So this is a pretty awesome device. Should last you a long time. Once your child is of the age to be sitting properly, you can start using it. All right, let's take it out of the bag. You have an included cup holder, which is awesome. I always want cup holders on my strollers because I'm always carrying something like a soda or something like that, and you can always put that in there, a coffee cup or a milk bottle for your kid. I have the handy dandy manual here. It says from 10 months to 18 months, you can use it with the canopy and the backrest and all of that stuff. 18 to 24, you can remove the canopy to give them more space. They can get their control bar, all of that stuff. 24 to 30 months, you get the paddles on, and then 30 to 36 months, you can take the parental handle off. So you can see those are the 4 modes. Kind of talks you through how to unfold it. It's supposed to be one button click to open. So let's go ahead and see if I can figure that out without struggling too much. This was the first step to click it back here. This is the second step. Third step is to grab this and pull it up. The third step involves pulling this out. If you're having a hard time, just make sure the wheels on both sides are loose, and that's it. And then you click the handlebars out to put the handlebars back down. You're going to press this button and then slide this over like so. And there should be like so. All right. There's a canopy in the back. You can pull it up like so. So you have shade for your kid. There's a 5-point restraint here, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 over here. So that's easy. These paddles here are just footrests, but when you're ready for it, you can actually take these out from here and put them on the wheel right here for a regular paddling system for a trike. And then you can attach the handle in the back. All you have to do is take this push pin out. So over here, there's a push pin. You're going to pull it out. You're going to insert this rod into the spot. The canopy is removable. There are these, you could just kind of hold it down and pull it up. So you can just pull it up from both sides, and it kind of just comes off. To put it back on, there are these tabs you're going to line it up with. So these tabs, you're going to put that in and then push it down, and it'll just click into place. So this Liki Trike so far has been pretty easy to use. As you can see, if I turn the handle, you can turn the wheel. So that's why there's that push pin to hold that handle in place. This is a back support or a ledge essentially for the back. So once you remove this backrest, you can actually install this to have a little back when you're in the trike mode. If you want safety railings and armrest to come down, all you have to do is bring it down, and this kind of slides back, and so it holds it in place. And so now it's a stiff handle where the child cannot turn the handle. If you want the child to be able to turn the handle and dual parental mode, then you would have to engage the steering wheel by doing that. So now the steering wheel is engaged. You put it back down, and the steering wheel is disengaged. To fold it up again, the way we had it, you would press this out, press this button, and put the handles down. You're going to press this button on the side. There's a handle in the back. You're going to grab that, and then you're going to fold it up. Pull this yellow thing here to fold that down. Push it down, and it's nice and flat. You're going to have to pull this push pin and remove the handle if you plan to put it in the overhead bin in an airplane or the back of a car, and you want it compact. Let's go back in reverse order. You're just going to click that back in place, put this up. You're going to grab that middle handle. You're going to grab that middle handle and kind of wiggle it loose, and that's it. Pull these handles up, and you're ready to go again. So it is pretty easy to kind of disassemble and assemble everything. As far as the handle on top, you can reduce the height by pressing that button on the top and pushing it down depending on your height, and then clicking it in place wherever you like. So it does have multiple height adjustments you can do, and it'll just click into place. On the bottom, on the right side wheel, there is a brake paddle here, so you can press that and click it in place if you want it to hold, or while moving you can press that to slow down the Liki trike. Over here in the back, there is an actual personalized nameplate, so you can actually pop this up and write the name of the child in this white nameplate. There's also a storage bag included, and the storage bag actually clips onto the handlebar right here. So you there's a little slot here, so you're gonna pop that through the slot. You can just pop the little notch through the slot, and there's Velcro on the side here that you're gonna use to Velcro the bag on. And now you have a little storage tote on the back of the Liki trike, and you can kind of keep it shut like that. You can put, like, for example, your backrest and stuff stored away if you're not going to use this bag in this bag. And if you don't need the canopy, you can kind of just fold this up, fold it down, and then put it out of the way. You do have to fold this back to pull the canopy up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below and I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.